Online status on Instagram. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. I'll show you how to turn off Instagram's online status and boost your privacy. No one will know when you're using Instagram. Let's get started. Enjoy videos like this? Check out other related videos on my channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful content for you. Alright, let's begin. I'm opening the Instagram app now. On your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, then scroll down. Next, tap on Messages and Story Replies. Click Show Activity Status to control who sees when you're online. Alright folks, this setting allows your followers and message recipients to see when you're last online or active on Instagram apps. If you turn this off, you won't see others' activity status, but they won't see yours either when you're online. So in this video, you learned how to disable the activity status on Instagram. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.